Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aishah Nabila Daud. My magic number F20B0726. Now I'll present about some of the related activity that I have been going through for the industrial training about 16 week at Johor Plantation Group. The acknowledgement. I deeply appreciate the opportunity provided to me by Johor Plantation Group to participate in industrial training at plum breeding and tissue culture. At Johor Plantation Agritech Centre, which is JPAC, I am highly appreciative of Tuan Haji Muhammad Isa bin Zainal Abidin, the General Manager of Plum Breeding and Tissue Culture at JPAC, for allowing me to acquire a wealth of knowledge and experience during my time here. I am deeply thankful for the individual at plant breeding and tissue culture for their constant encouragement, learning, and instruction in the field of plant breeding and tissue culture. The experience they have provided to me have been extremely beneficial in development of my professional abilities. I am extremely grateful to all the individuals at University Malaysia Kelantan Delhi campus who have dedicated their support and compassionate contribution to the advancement of my academic work, whether directly or indirectly. Johor Plantation Group background. Johor Plantation Group Berhad, formerly known as Plantation Berhad or Mahamuni Plantation Sendirian Berhad, aspire to lead the charge in RSPO certified sustainable palm oil production and regenerative agriculture. They are dedicated to creating value through innovation, digitalization, and smart technology to lead in agribusiness, produce sustainable essential for mankind, and deliver a profitable future while embracing ESG principle. Their area 59 59,781 hectare with 23 estate, 5 mills, 5 biogas plants, 1 biomethane plant, and R&D agritech lab. Okay, this is the organization chart. Let's start with Jacob, Joe Plantation Group, R&D and Agricultural Swiss, which is divided into three: agronomy, advisory, plant breeding and tissue culture, and Central Analytical Lab. It was located at Johor Plantation Agritech Center at Kota Tinggi. Here is the vision and mission of the company. The vision to become the globally preferred producer of premium, sustainable, and traceable oils and fats. The mission by demonstrating total commitment to integrity, quality, sustainability, and innovation. We create an integrated value chain business that maximizes stakeholder returns. Okay, here are the product and services at plant breeding and tissue culture, which is they produce DSP seed sales, which is seed production, bunch analysis, and ramet, the production of ramet by tissue culture, which is a clonal of oil palm. Here is the summaries of the daily activity. At Research and Development and Agricultural Service, which is plant breeding and tissue culture, I was doing bunch analysis process, raw seed processing process, trial wood, tissue culture process, and I also go to another department, which is agronomy, which is I'm doing the trial in increasing the fruit set. Okay, here is the process of bunch analysis. The purpose of bunch analysis is to estimate the component and oil content in a bunch and also to improving yield and quality in oil palm plantation. This is the chart, which is the flow chart for the bunch analysis, which is to start with determine fruit form and harvest the bunches, redetermine fruit form in laboratory, recording data, which is according to analysis number, PROW, PCOL, date, fruit type, and number of loose fruit. Then take the bunch to wake and then chopping, which is segregate between stalk and spiklet. For the stalk, we take the wake and remove. Okay, now we move to the chopping for the spiklet. We take the wake and separating. The separating will be For fertile fruit, empty spiklet, patinocarpite fruit, which is we will weigh, and then the fruit will be randomized by 500 grams or subsample 350 grams. Then weigh again before we go through for the means, which is separating between nuts and mesocarp. Okay, here is a means for the nut. The nut will be weighed, then drying using oven for about 80 degrees Celsius for 16 hours. Weighing dry nuts, crack, separate between shell and nut, then weighing the kernel, then it will be removed. Okay, here is the means for the mesocarp. Mesocarp will be weighed and then drying using oven for about 24 hours at 105 degrees Celsius. The dry mesocarp will be weighed, and then we go to weighing filter paper and stapler bullets, grinding the dried mesocarp, and take about 5 to 6 grams of mesocarp into filter paper, packing and stapler, and then put into chocolate for 16 hours with n-hexane 1.1 liter, and then keep in oven for about 108 degrees for 16 hours. Then put in desiccator for 1 hour, and after that wait the fiber, and then the process is finished. Okay, now we go to the another activity that I've been doing, which is a seed production. Purpose for raw seed processing is ensuring seed viability, quality control, and maximizing germination rate. Okay, here is seed processing flowchart, which is start with weigh bunch, weighing and wash bunch, rating 4 to 5 days, detach fruit from the stalk and the spiklet, the pear cap which is separate seed and the mesocarp, and the seed will be goes to fungicide or insecticide treatment. The seed will be air dry about 4 hours. Moisture test will be take, coating the seed storage, soaking about 5 to 7 days before put the seed into the heat chamber about 50 to 60 days, and then the germination will be take over, and soaking should be done about 5 to 7 days. Germination will be takes about maximum 8 weeks, and then the seed after that the seed will be sorting and package the seed for the transportation or delivery to the estate or another another buyers. Okay, now we move to the estate visit at few estate. The purpose of estate visit enhancing understanding and practices within the field work. At Ladang REM, observe oil palm trial for bunch analysis and observe attacked tree by rhinoceros beetle. At Ladang Pasir Ismail, visit the main nursery, visit replanting area, and identify type of oil palm that they planted, such as nigrosyns and virescens. Okay, at the estate visit, I'm also doing trial in increasing the fruit set. The purpose is to increase the weevil density and to optimize the role as pollinator and increase the oil palm fruit set bunch performance more than 60%. This is a weevil cage. This is the antithesis pollen with weevil. Location at Ladang Pasak, Kota Tinggi. Monitoring weevil population, observe suitable male and female inflorescence, identify after anthesis within male and female inflorescence, and identify parthenocarpite fruit. Okay, here is the oil palm tissue culture process, the flow chart. The purpose of oil palm tissue culture process to allow mass scale production, uniformity in size, disease-free and conservation for genetic resources. At the GPG, this is a procedure that they use, which is sampling the leaf cabbage from other plant, cutting orchid into small pieces, leaf plant about 6 months, and the formation of callus 9 months, and after that formation of embroid 24 months, the multiplication of polyembroid 2 months, and for the shoot development stage it take 4 months. After that, the routine stage will be at for 3 months, acclimatization stage at pre-nursery 3 to 4 months, and field nursery 8 to 9 months, and then field planting 1 year old. Okay, this is the last activity that I've been doing, which is tissue culture process, subculture. I'm doing the subculture at polyembroid. I was identify contaminated culture caused by bacteria and fungus, identifying abnormalities within embroid and shoots, and then learning the aseptic technique during the subculture. And then determining the suitable condition for clonal, which is in light room and with the temperature 28 degrees Celsius. As the conclusion, I have gained invaluable hands-on experience through direct involvement in plant breeding technique and tissue culture practices. This practical exposure has enhanced my understanding of the complexity involved in plant genetic and propagation. I was able to apply theoretical concepts learned in the classroom to actual fieldwork, reinforcing knowledge and boosting confidence. Also could observe best practice in crop management, pest control, and sustainable farming technique, which are crucial for modern agricultural success. Interaction with industry professional during the training fostered a valuable connection that could lead to my future career opportunities or collaboration. These relationships are vital for me as transition into the workforce. Thank you.